I just got off from my work right now. It's 6:30 and I thought that I'll check out a coffee shop and then show you the bridge, which was like super nice. I went for a walk there yesterday. It's by the riverside, Han River. Yeah, I'll just confirm the name again. But yeah, that's what I was going to do. But before that, I was checking, like I was transferring files from my GoPro to the phone, and I think I did transfer files, but still the memory shows to be low. I need to check, so I'll be shutting down the GoPro once and check again. What's wrong? That's weird.
A few moments later.
Okay, anyway, I don't know why my memory is low. GoPro memory, it's quite frustrating because I just made a purchase today of 4,000 rupees to transfer the file from my GoPro to my new laptop, which I bought in Thailand. If you have not checked out the video, you guys should check it out. But here is the cafe. Let's see what is the coffee price. It's really good franc and I really want to drink a coffee, so go upstairs? Up? Hello. I don't think the coffee is going to be cheap because it's a very aesthetic cafe, but it's okay. I am poor anyway, so may as well spend whatever I have before I leave the country. Oh, look at it, so pretty. So pretty. Oh. Very freaking aesthetic. Let's try out this coffee. Woo. So they got only drink options here, and it's not really very expensive as per Vietnamese standard. If I say, the highest, the costliest is like 50,000 dong. 50,000 dong is like 160 rupees, 160 Indian currency. Cold water, that's it. Okay, I think I'll have this Vietnamese iced milk coffee.
Okay.
Yeah, can you make the coffee strong?
Strong.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, thank you. Guys, so I got my coffee and the ice because I asked for iced coffee. I forgot to tell you, almost every cafe, even the smallest local cafe that you can think of, they have Wi-Fi available here. But I don't know if I shared this in any other video of mine of Vietnam. I think I have not. The quantity of Vietnamese coffee is like really less, See, and it's across everywhere. It doesn't matter big or small. It's very less. I don't know why. Maybe I should ask for 2 shots. But let's enjoy the coffee now.
A few moments later.
And I'm going to go towards the bridge now. Okay, the name of the river is Han River. Yeah, I said Han River earlier, right? Let's go towards the bridge. So a little TED talk. It's kind of weird that when I'm sitting in my room or in my hotel, I get this feeling, I don't have a bike, you know. I mean, I know how to ride, but you know, like, it's kind of dangerous, and also it's kind of I don't want to fall from the bike, and especially Vietnam traffic is crazy, like how they drive. So I really don't want to take that risk. But again, at the same time, when you walk, like when you walk, you see so much more than, you know, when you are on a bike. Of course, it's easier on the bike, but it's not bad either way. Did I tell you the hostel where I was staying at? It's called the Secret Garden, and it's pretty much popular in DaNang. Like, it's very recommended, and it's like kind of on the streets. Yeah, I don't think I'll be crossing the hostel again, but I'll put out the detail of the hostel in the description box, so you can check that out. Yeah, let's go. I still can't understand if it is fresh or not. I think they are fresh. Hello. People here are really nice and always smiling. But that's like a common thing in Southeast Asia. I really want to go to Europe to know, because I've always heard that people in Europe are like, are you crazy? Why are you smiling? Like, why not to smile? What's wrong with smiling? But that's how it is. That's how I have heard. So yeah, maybe if I start getting decent money, I'm not lying, I would not mind the money. If I start getting decent money from YouTube, then I would just go to Europe, you know, because anyway my job is not paying me, and even if it did, it was not enough. And yeah, man, I just want to travel. I think everybody wants to do that, but yeah, I want to like give back to the world as well. On that note, I'll be visiting an orphanage. I had raised some funds, and I'll be putting out a YouTube video as well for the same, the orphanage one. So do check it out. I don't know if I'll be posting it before this video or after that video, but do check it out, okay? It's a 3 minutes walk. Okay guys, bye. See guys, this is self-promotion at its best, but then I really love this country. Really nice. People are really nice. Okay. So after all the sightseeing and taking pictures, we are on the way to the coolest, most cool bridge I've ever seen after traveling to 4 countries. So let me show Yeah, they were running because the walking one was green, but then an Indian can just walk. Hello. Also, I'm going to call my parents Usually they don't really like the fact that I'm traveling, and they don't really like it at all. But I think they will like this. I hope so. So I'll give them a video call. They're trying to build this area like the Marina Bay of Singapore. I haven't been to Singapore, but that's what everyone says. So they have an underground thing to cross the road. Hello. Hi. See the bridge? It's super cool. The eye of the dragon, I think it emits fire on weekend, but I won't be here on the weekend to show you guys that.